yan, Ninang, kaya mo yan. No ba? Me too, sometimes it's hard to me when I speak English, but I will try my best. I will do my best to see to the people of the Philippines that no matter what happen, I am for being who I am. Okay? Okay, siya na. Okay, Rashid, you are the one who's...
Claro.
Oh my God, he is B15 to condition himself. You look like a rooster, ha? Okay, shout out, Ninang Casey Judge, Ninang Casey Judge,
Shoutout nga
Ninang
pala
Bri.
sa
Okay, sige.
nandito and Ilay, yung sinabi mo sa akin, inisip ko yun and then yan, Shawi nga para yan.
Okay.
Fucking noise
Okay,
please
let's start fucking, okay. Mag-self-mute ka na muna, wait lang. Mag-self-mute ka muna, introan muna kita, putang ina mo. Sa garagal pa lang natatalo na boses ko eh. Logi sa'yo. Ayan, Ninang Casey Judge Ninang Casey, si Ninang Bri. Tapos, si Ninang Shane daw, ang boto niya kay Banta. So, Papi Banta, PM mo si Ninang Shane, IAM mo siya. So, galingan mo, may 1K ka sa akin. Ako ba, Madam Eli? I'm just only MC, I'm not a player. The 1K that you give is, I think, much better if we add on the price. Si Nobita, who's Nobita? Rashid? No, put in the prices. Madam Eli, after 2K prices, after 100 consumption. Okay? Rashid, I will intro you now. Okay? Okay? For his first strike of Rashid, between the Sopokin, trash talk him, real talk him, beat him, and 3, 2, 1, my English is lisuko. Let's go.
She's king is exotic food. Don't you eat me? I will fuck you. I will give your fans. You're eating my fans. You're fuck you. Don't like me because my brain is so very loading. So my brain is so very reloading. I will full clap. I will giving clap for our your rabbit. You know, she's rabbit is cutting. You know, she is butterfly is dragon. You like that because you are not English or fucking language. Or no, you are so very exotic. You know, I will flying missile will shoot to kill your house because your mother is fucking exotic. Your father is warm. You're warm. Putak, you know, I don't like you. Nobody but you. How much your age? I will fucking taking. I will killing your age for mission. I will veterans for this. You are lucky me. You're Facet Canton. You are fucking idiot. You are chucking your 60 fucking your mother. You like your mother. Your mother is burger. I will eat it for burger your mother. You know, spaghetti. Your pussy, your mother is choking. You like that? I will give in your mother is pussy is choking. Your Jollibee is eating. I will giving eating for Jollibee cheese. Your cheesing. You like that? It's my rant. I will for only max your Pro Max, your fucking Pro Max. My brain is so very reloading for rifle is like that like you. You nobody like you. I'm fucking to you. I'm fuck you. Don't nobody. I will chasing for Jollibee. Your 60 fucking for Chicken Joy. You are kicking high kick for Jollibee. Fuck you. Like.
Time! Oh my God, Rashid. You're so very strong. Putang ina mo sa Tagalog, mga hayop na nga, animals na. Pati pa din naman sa English. Hype ka. You have a
Please
rifle,
daw, may
Okay.
post yung amin
Post mo lahat, Repa. Wala dre dyan. Okay, pakler ka laking. Okay, hindi nang KC. Thank you sa pagbigay ng response mo. Ayan, okay, klaro ka. Sa mga gustong magpa-Jollibee sa akin o kaya mang inasal kasi wala naman akong TF dito. Kalabaw naman, wag puro baka. Okay, wag puro baka naman talaga. Okay. Are you fucking ready, King? You wear your... Okay, ay, lugi kay Rashid naka B40. Ate ko, baka gusto mo magbigay ng pangkonso sa akin o kaya magdagdag sa price. Okay, nakasapatos ka naman na, King. Ako, magdadagdag ka ba, Madam Mimi, ng ma'am? Price po ba or pang konso or pang Jollibee, pang jealousy ko? Okay? King, are you fucking ready? Nakawiro ka naman ng sapatos mo, naka-polo shirt. Okay. For his first strike of Kin between his opponent Rashid. Okay, trash talk him, real talk him, beat him, do whatever fucking want you want to say. And 3, 2, 1, let's go.
No, it's jolly weekend train. Colors of the pain. Snibbing in plain. Darb in stain. Blade, clean. Sakin, flame. Kalamos, sakins, lane. You're the fucking ace. It's the fucking dice is fucking mice. Your lane and maybe is carrots and fallacy good lucks. It's knee and carrots is sok box. Where's the fucking 8? Carrots, fuck, putang inerts, lucky nerds, what the metal fucking earths, and you and the fucking dirts, you hurt, you nip in the fucking H, putting in the page, when the fucking carrots, what's it? No, it's Jollibee, it's McDo, it's policy, ganoisly, with the say, noli, sakin, fucking, pakyu kasanin, Pikachu Raichu Tichi, fuck yous, sakin, kiglarisin, waking, sakining, footing inising, anising, inasanising, sakin, fucking ding, tang ina mo ding, nababakla ka sakin pa rin, mahirap sakin, ikay puro tunun, tayo, nasuwi na bed and parties every day, within, here, hakir, nakir, nas fucking ain, here up within a bacteria, is a fucking date and no is pass is nimi, is kak, is kick sakin, kala mo sakin, papalag pa rin, mahirapan ka sakin, kung usapan Tagalog sin, hihirapan din, yeah, this time,
Time! Oh my god, I will hear the bark of the dog. What the fuck? This is a English conference. Okay, not Chinese, not Kung Fu, not Karate, not Olopa. Okay. Okay, Rashid, you clear your voice. You can shout out first before anything else.
Oh wow! Shout out. Shoutout na sa iba dyan. Oh wow! Shoutout ka sa iba.
Okay, are you fucking ready? Ate, shout out to my one and only Ate ko Isa. Thank you for the Jollibee, Jealousy, Mang Inasar. Are you fucking ready, Rashid? This is my happy.
Ready? Shoutout niya pro.
I will intro you now for his second strike of Rashid between his opponent, Kin. Real talk him, trash talk him, do whatever fucking you want to say. My English is day of later. Papanta, can you please remove your frame? And 3, 2, 1, Rashid, let's stop. Let's go.
What are you talking about? Chungkwala, ching, your face is very ching. You like that? Fuck you, Don't nobody but you, I will kick you, I will going to Pluto, I don't like you because you are cockroach, I don't like cockroach, I don't like with you, Nobody wants you, I will like you, I will kill you, your mother is fucking idiot, your cockroach, your mother, I will kill you, I don't ching, I don't like ching, your face is very ching, You are so very Wallace Ching, You are swaki, You are swaki, You don't like that? I will like you, I will like you because your mother is running for sidecar, so very crutch for sidecar like that. I want you, Your daddy is Pokemon Ball, I will catch your father in Pokemon and I will battle to Bigo your father. I will catch to Pokemon Ball like that, Your father is Bulbasaur, You like that? Because your Hungry Bird is not flying. Because I will little star, I will kick you, I will rotting, I will lying fucking to you, idiot fucking nigga. Alright, you are so very gangster is the ugly, right? Because I am so very super science only one because I will brain is black hole, right? I will kill you, I will talking about for black hole, is coming going galaxy, I will catch for galaxy and going your home because your home is so very Yuck, it's so very yummy, yummy. Yeah, you know, Simani, your mother is so very yummy, yummy. Yeah, fucking cute. I don't like you. Your face is very chacharon. You like that. I don't like you because it's so thick. Penguin. Your father is penguin. You like that. Your father is penguin. Your mother is Jurassic. Your I like it is N for the word because it's me because I'm so very funny. It's me. Fuck you. No, no. Your father is eating exotic food because your mother is concrete. Your mother is so very concreto because your father is swimming land.
Time, oh my God, your ender is too much. You know what is the, you have 30 seconds, sobra. Okay, are you fucking ready, Kin?
Yes. Teka lang, shoutout nga pala dyan sa baba. Thank you, love you. Sa mga nagpa-event dito, thank you, game.
Ako na nagmamakaawa guys, sana wag nyo nang ulitin to, sinabayan ko lang sa mga kahihiyan nyo yung ano, tangina ba, napagalatan pa nito, hindi pa ako makukuha sa New Zealand yan nag-a-apply pa naman ako trabaho, puta baka sabihin, dili man pala ako marunong mag-English, paano man kung makapunta dun dong, oy, okay, are you fucking ready, Kin?
Yes, game.
Okay, for his second round of Kin between his opponent Rashid, the Jurassic Man, trash talk him, beat him, say whatever fucking you want to say, and 3, 2, 1, buchik chik, let's go.
Is family, is Nook, is Palamunins, ikaw is nikay magtrabaho pa rin, kahirapan, ikaw, trabaho pa rin, ikay ngayaw, putang ina mo ha, nyaw, yung magulang mo nahihirapan na sa'yo, tandaan mo to, ikay Palamunin, hanggang Gcash ka na lang 5 piso, nahirapan ka pa rin, ganon, 5 piso, hirap na hirap si Gago, ganon, tangina mo, sa akin hindi ito mananalo. Pangalawang impunto, mahirap na maging English fucking ready. It's the fucking day. This day is fucking lies. No, dirty and hard. The hardest day. Again, today, 2,000 days, putang ina days, tatay to sa akin base, mahihirapan sa akin ace, earth, hiraps sa akin English, sa kanya nagpipiling si, Tagalog kin, putang ina mo sin, ikay sa akin mahirapan pa rin, risk fucking 8, huwag kayo sa akin ma-rain, tang ina no rain, mahihirapan ka pa rin, diba, ganyan pag-i-English, it's fucking thing for the things you bitch who's over the backseat or fucking
Nagpanggap na lang, binunot yung wifi.
Time, okay, wait, calm down na, guys, King, you did not speak English, so because of that, you have konso 100 pesos. Now, you give me 100. Abonado ka pa sa akin. Nagtagalog ka. Sila nga ni, nakakapaghirap. Tapos ikaw gusto mo magtagalog ka? Lalagyan mo lang konting accent. Para kang si Manny Pacquiao nung nag-aaral pa siyang mag-English sa Amerika. Kafals ng bukas, mas. Dapat sumali ka sa Itbulaga. Sa, yung mga, dili man ko Pinoy talaga, cool. Kakarating ko lang sa Pinas, cool. Nagpunta kami Bikutan, cool. Okay, orasan natin ng 2 minutes. Pag wala pa din siya after 2 minutes, we will go on the final round. Rashid, between us, ta? Rashid, magpapaoras ako ng 2 minutes. Pwede ka nang mag-search ng mga rifle, aka 69, butterfly, to the moon. I will fight for my dreams. Ito ang aking kulay. Pwede ka mag-search ng mga carrots, potato, nebulizer, aquaman. Okay?
Ayaw nyo bang bigyan ng chance si Kristo?
Kristo?
Ipagpapatuloy niya lang yung laro ni King.
Hindi, hindi, ano, Hindi, magre-record na lang muna si B. Kumukuha yan ng buwelo ng last kasi sa mga parating na event. Ano ba, kakasawa din mag-champion na. Give chance to others, Repa, di ba? Give chance to others. Baka masabihan tayong madamot, gahaman. Huwag naman tayo palagi yung panalo. Di ba? Yan, give chance to others. Nag-giveaway naman si Repa. Basic lang yun sa kanya, okay? Okay, King, you have 50 seconds left. If you didn't come, I will put you on the blacklist to watch list to basic to kinetic to the power energy.
Alam ko na, B, kaya hindi mo sinali si Kristo kasi overqualified ba siya dyan?
Yes, yes, exactly. He is overqualified on this fucking battle. Oh, beat him. Okay. Okay. You have 25 seconds left. Kin, okay? You have 20, 19, 18. Sinubo yung mang inasal. 15, 14. Pasa kay Rashid. 13. Pasa ulit kay Kin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Mahirap. Ay, 4 lang pala yun. 1, ay 3 pala yun. Time, wala na.
Ang ina, ito. Tumatawag sa'yo, sagutin mo muna.
Yung oras yun, ano ka ba? Floating time nga.